The United States isn't just building another fighter jet. It is building an entirely new way of fighting wars. Imagine 185 next-generation fighter aircraft, each capable of controlling up to 8 AI-powered combat drones. That means nearly 1,500 coordinated combat platforms operating together in the sky. This is the vision behind the F-47, America's next-generation air dominance fighter. It isn't simply faster or stealthier than previous jets. It is designed to become the command center of an entire airborne combat network. But the real story isn't just about one aircraft. It's about how military aviation is changing forever. The birth of the F-47. For decades, the F-22 Raptor represented the peak of air superiority. With exceptional stealth, incredible speed, and unmatched air-to-air combat performance, it remained one of the world's most capable fighters. However, military technology never stands still. As China accelerated development of advanced aircraft and Russia continued modernizing its air force, the U.S. Air Force realized that maintaining dominance required something completely new. That vision became the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. Its mission was clear: replace the F-22, build the world's first practical sixth-generation fighter, stay years ahead of every potential rival. After years of secret research, testing, and development, Boeing was selected to build the aircraft now known as the F-47. The project represents one of the largest investments in future air combat ever undertaken by the United States. Why the F-47 is different. The F-47 isn't just another fighter with improved engines or newer missiles. It combines multiple technologies into one integrated combat platform: advanced stealth. The aircraft is expected to feature a radar signature even smaller than previous stealth fighters. Its design focuses on avoiding detection from advanced radar systems, increasing survivability during high-risk missions. High-speed reports indicate the aircraft is expected to fly beyond Mach 2, allowing rapid deployment, deep strike capability, and quick withdrawal from contested airspace. Extended combat range. One of the major improvements is range. The aircraft is designed to travel significantly farther than previous fighters without requiring frequent aerial refueling. This gives commanders greater operational flexibility across the Indo-Pacific and other large theaters. Smarter production. Unlike earlier stealth programs that became extremely expensive, the F-47 is being designed using modern manufacturing techniques intended to reduce production costs while increasing efficiency. The biggest innovation isn't actually the fighter itself, it's the aircraft flying beside it. The U.S. Air Force is developing Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCA, advanced autonomous drones capable of working directly with manned fighters. These are not small commercial drones. They are high-performance unmanned combat aircraft built to fly alongside fighters during real combat missions. Think of the F-47 pilot as the mission commander. The drones become an intelligent team executing different battlefield roles simultaneously. Each F-47 may be capable of directing up to 8 combat drones during operations. If all planned aircraft eventually enter service, that could create nearly 1,500 coordinated combat platforms operating together. This represents a completely different style of warfare. What can these drones do? Each drone may perform different missions, depending on battlefield requirements. Some may scout enemy territory, detect hidden air defense systems, jam hostile radar, act as decoys, carry precision weapons, support electronic warfare, conduct reconnaissance, protect the manned fighter. Instead of risking human pilots during the most dangerous parts of a mission, autonomous aircraft can move forward first. They gather intelligence, expose enemy positions, and reduce risks before the fighter enters contested airspace. 2 major drone programs. The first major CCA aircraft comes from General Atomics. Its prototype, known as YFQ-42A, has already completed flight testing and is designed for high-speed operations alongside crewed fighters. The second comes from Anduril Industries. Its aircraft, YFQ-44A Fury, is also undergoing extensive testing with future weapon integration planned. Both programs represent the beginning of America's effort to field hundreds and eventually over 1,000 AI-assisted combat aircraft.